Hey guys, welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So, you just recorded a vlog and you've imported your footage into DaVinci Resolve. You're playing it back and suddenly you hear your next door neighbor cussing and carrying on and you're like, oh my god, do I have to go back and record that entire thing all over again? No, you do not. Just follow these simple steps. Well, actually, it's one step. It's really simple just to get that nonsense out of your audio and have it sounding perfect. Okay? So just stick around and I'll show you how to get it done. Hey guys, so I just recorded some footage outside and there was a lot of construction going on. So we're going to listen to what the footage sounds like without using the voice isolation feature in DaVinci Resolve 18. And then I'm going to add the voice isolation feature so that we can hear what it sounds like after. Okay, so this is what it sounds like now. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be testing out the new voice isolation feature in DaVinci Resolve 18. You may hear some construction noises outside, but not to worry. Once I've enabled the voice isolation feature, you should not hear any of that. You should just hear me speaking. Okay, so as you can tell, it's really bad. Now let's just select our footage, hit voice isolation, and let's see what that sounds like now. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be testing out the new voice isolation feature in DaVinci Resolve 18. You may hear some construction noises outside, but not to worry. Once I've enabled the voice isolation feature, you should not hear any of that. Okay, wow, what a huge difference. That voice isolation feature is absolutely insane, and I'm sure it's going to be very helpful for you guys when you're out vlogging and stuff. Wow, just wow. I hope this video has helped and will help when you're shooting your vlogs and whatnot outdoors. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'd love to have you guys on board with the channel. Take care.